You versus 1,000 zombies. Axe or gun?
Gun, 100%.
Well, listen to this. Mythbusters actually proved the axe is actually the better weapon.
An axe forces you to be close to zombies. How is that good? With a gun, I could get on a box and shoot from there.
Yeah, but you would eventually run out of ammo. Plus, it's noisy. Remember, zombies are activated by sound. An axe wouldn't attract new zombies.
Yeah, but you would get fatigued. Also, the axe will get stuck in a zombie's head, leaving you vulnerable.
Listen, Mythbusters already did the experiment. The gun got jammed and the axe got more kills.